In the world of industrial automation, efficiency and precision are the major components. At IQS Engineering Solutions, we are redefining the way fluids and gases are distributed with our innovative swivel flanges. Traditional stationary fixtures limit flexibility, but IQS's swivel flanges, designed specifically for pneumatic and hydro-pneumatic cylinders, offer a unique solution. Made from high-grade aluminum and bronze, our flanges provide shock absorption. This ensures that even under high pressure, the systems operate smoothly and reliably. Our team of experts has developed these flanges through meticulous research and cutting-edge engineering, optimizing them for strength and durability in even the most demanding environments. Whether it's in industrial factories or residential settings, our swivel flanges offer unmatched flexibility, protecting systems from failure and extending the life of your equipment. By absorbing shocks caused by pressure changes, our flanges reduce wear and tear, enhance safety, and improve overall system performance. Innovation, precision, reliability. That's what we deliver at IQS Engineering Solutions. Contact us today to learn how we can revolutionize your pneumatic systems.